Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this next part of our 2015 GSXR600 rebuild. We have some new parts we're going to be throwing on this bike. There's a few parts in the front end of this bike that we still need to put back together. We need to put our front fairing stay on. Here we have our replacement front fairing stay. Along with that, we need to get our gauge cluster on that new stay. Our gauge cluster is a little scratched up, so I actually do have a replacement housing for our gauge cluster. Right here we have our new housing. So we're going to transfer all the electronics from the old case to our new one, and we have some electronic wiring harness. And one other thing that we're going to need to throw on this bike is the set of fairings here with all of our fairing kits up here. One of these boxes is going to have our new set of fairings for this bike. We're going to be revealing the color scheme for this new bike. Right behind me is the new set of plastics for this bike, our new set of fairings from Auctmarts.com. Let's take a closer look at the detail on this set of plastics. So right off the bat, we have this nice blue metallic. I love the blue and white themes on these GSXR600s. That blue is absolutely popping. Perfect decals. Got the nice little accents on like the decals over here. We have like the metallic silver with a little black outline in the background. That's looking really nice. I know I usually like going with a pearl white, but this regular white is looking nice with these black decals. As we're walking over to these fairings, look at that right there. See how that's popping really good? We got the GSXR logos. These are actually like reflective decals. We got that and the 600 on the tailpiece over here. That's reflective also. These are really popping. Anytime it's really dark out or like riding at night, and the light hits these, it's just gonna pop those logos out. Awesome job by Auctmarts. It's the little details like this stuff right here that absolutely makes these set of fairings stand out from the rest.